So you are tuned into the Music and Culture Podcast with me, Mandla Gingirikani. Thank you very much for joining us this side. We really appreciate your time. If you are new to the channel, please do the right thing. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever makes sense for you, just do it. So SHEBESHXT's daughter Ontatile has been laid to rest in Libohomo, Zone A. She passed away after a car crash on the R37 road on June 8th. She was traveling with her mother, Kulufelo, and also her father, SHEBESHXT, who have sustained injuries. While SHEBESHXT is still recovering from hospital, the mother is recovering from home. Earlier in the week, family spokesperson said that SHEBESHXT will be able to attend the funeral, but will be accompanied by hospital staff and be taken back to hospital after the funeral. People from all walks of life came to support SHEBESHXT. Amongst the dignitaries includes Mayor of Polokwane, Mr. John Mpe, Capricorn District Mayor Mamedu Pitefo, EFF Provincial Chairperson Mr. Lawrence Mapaulo, and many others. In terms of artists, many came to support SHEBESHXT. Bad Company were seen at the funeral, Dr. Malinga as well, Tsekeleke, and many others. This is really a trying time for SHEBESHXT and the family. We can only wish them all the best. I can't imagine how painful it is to bury your loved one in this fashion. All we can say is RIP to Ontatile, condolences to the family, and also speedy recovery to SHEBESHXT. This one, we're going to leave it here. We're not going to drag it. See you in the next upload. Please make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever makes sense for you. Just do it. Salute.